By the time I want to shoot the second shot, they must say exactly the same thing they said the first time. They must not miss. If they miss, we will cut it and tell them that they did not say their line very well, and then they will shoot again. Are we together? That's because in the editing, if they are not saying the same word, then the editor will not be able to match different angle of shots together to create that effect that you see, that you think is now 5 cameras that they are using. Do you understand? So I want to show you an example of that here now. So look here now. You can see here, they open the door and then walk past. And then in this same one too, open the door and then walk past. So now let's edit these 2 videos together. So let me right click on any of them and say new sequence from tape. At the point where it switches to this other hand, is where I will mark in from. Are you getting what I want to do now? Marking, and then goes. Then when it closes the door, I'm going to mark out there, and then drag and what? Drop. Let me play what I've added here now, and you see the magic that happens. We know it's 2 different videos, so you can see how we used to edit for you guys, civilians that you don't know. So you can see 2 different videos, but you don't see that one same video.